Hi there, I'm Andrea with the Leotard Boutique, and today I'm going to show you what to do if in the rare chance that your vinyl comes off of your personalized leotard. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my daughter's leotard, and after, she's worn it 1,000 times and we've had it for over a year, I'm starting to get a little bit of a lift of the vinyl right here on the letters. So I want to show you how easy it is to fix at home. So in our warehouse, we have heat presses that go up to 305 degrees for the correct temperature to press your vinyl onto your leotard. So when you're at home, if you have a temperature adjustment for your iron, definitely try to keep it around that range. For my iron, I'm not really sure what the temperature gauge is at, but I do know that the highest setting doesn't get as hot as what I'd like it to, so it's gonna take me a little bit longer, which is okay. You'll just kind of have to adjust and do a little bit of trial and error with let's start with 10 seconds and then 20 seconds and add it on. So what you wanna grab is you wanna grab some parchment paper. That's probably the preferred method for vinyl, but I've got a thin, small towel that I'm going to use. We just wanted to try to get the heat through the towel and onto the vinyl so that we can get it to adhere to the leotard again. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to lay the towel over top of it, and I'm gonna take my iron and I'm going to press very hard, as hard as I can, down onto that spot where the vinyl has lifted. So I'm gonna give it probably about 15 seconds to start to see kind of where we end up. Okay, now I'm just gonna kind of move my iron around a little bit. See if we can get that to press down. All right, and then let's take a look and see where we are with this. Okay, yeah, so it's starting to go ahead and adhere, so it's getting nice and warm. Actually, what I forgot to mention, what you can do is that we do this in the warehouse, is that we do warm up our leotards before we press the vinyl. So I basically kind of warmed up the leotard. So let's give it a good press now and see if we can actually get that to fully press. Okay, so another thing that you can do, this has smooth vinyl and glitter vinyl on it. So for smooth vinyl, if you have that on your leotard, sometimes when you're washing it, it kind of gets folded and a little crinkly looking. This is a good way to just kind of put some heat on it, smooth it out, so it looks fresh and new again. All right, let's see where we are with this. Oh yeah, good. Okay, so it's not coming up anymore, and the leotard looks fresh and new and ready to go. Hope this helps.